I'm here today with Connor, and we're about to pick up a pallet of water from Costco to take down to a storm shelter in Frankfort. There's a lot of flooding that happened there recently, and Glenn wanted to get together and do something and help them out, so we're going to pick up some water, and then we're going to take a road trip down to Frankfort. We just finished unloading the water here at the Capital City Activity Center, the Meals on Wheels location in Frankfort. They're one of 3 major shelters here for the flooding in Frankfort. If you guys are close by, come by, donate any canned food or water if you're able. They're doing a great job of taking care of people here in Frankfort.